Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I will do a small recap on the trades that I took this week and what I will be doing for the next week. So as you can see on this left chart, it's the weekly chart. Previous week we worked into this weekly fair value gap right here. We took the lows, then we closed bearish with powerful momentum. So I've had this weekly low sell side liquidity as a target and these equal lows right here as a sell side liquidity also as a target. Going into the daily chart, we opened on Monday and we broke structure to the downside. Since we broke structure to the downside, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I was bearish into this sell side liquidity, and we have also this daily low, which is also a sell side liquidity. So this target was taken on Monday, so I had these two targets going into the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday, I don't usually take trades because we can see some type of retracement. So, going into Tuesday's session. So, this is Tuesday's session. I wanted to see a retracement into a PD array above 50%. So, as you can see, at 2 a.m. we broke structure powerfully to the upside. So what I noticed that in this day uh, I was uh, I didn't have so much time to sit down in front of the charts, so I needed to take a trade and leave fast. So I took a losing trade. What happened is after this candle closure, I entered immediately. I had my stop loss at 8 pips and my target was this high right here. I would have made money if I took this trade on my challenge account, but since I've taken this trade on TradingView, I didn't get stopped out, but I got filled on TradingView and it got me stopped out. So if you can see right here, I lost 1% on this trade. What I should have done is that I should have waited for a bearish momentum, so a down close candle during the the New York session, but we had news at 8:30 and we had core retails. So core retails, we sweep liquidity from both sides, then we push uh, with the daily buys. So I needed to wait for this expansion to happen. After this candle closure, I would have entered with a stop loss of 8 pips and targeting the lows. I would have stopped my trade right here at 4 p.m. So I would have made around 2.9% if I had the opportunity, but I lost 1%. Then, going into Wednesday, I also was bearish into the daily low, Monday low, and into these sell side liquidity. So, what happened right here is that I needed to wait for a retracement into a PD array above 50%. So, it was 4 a.m., so I needed to wait for New York session. During New York session, I wasn't in front of the charts at 7 a.m., so I didn't have the opportunity to take this trade. So after closure of 6 a.m., I should have entered stop loss above the high or at 8 pips if the high is higher than 8 pips, and targeting the sell side liquidity. So it would have been approximately 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, but I didn't have the opportunity to take this trade. So I entered the session around 9:30 and I saw this fair value gap rejection. So what I could have had another opportunity to enter short position right here, stop loss at at the swing below 8, so it's good, and targeting the lows, it would be a 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. But also I missed on this opportunity. So what happened is that I waited for this candle closure and it closed bearish. What I did is I entered right here at the candle closure, stop loss at 8 pips and targeting the lows. So it was around 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, and this is the trade that I've took. As you can see, it was a winning trade. I've had 3 losing trades, then 1 winning trade, and I am on the profit side. Okay, so uh, this trade, I won this trade because I was patient and I executed based on my strategy. So what happened is actually I tried to take some trades on my challenge account and it was a little bit different. Although there is no spread like here there is spread. There is commission for one lot $7. So I fixed my lot size into half lots. In this way, if I had an 8 pips stop loss, I would be risking around 0.8%, and I can have a maximum stop loss of 10 pips. In this way I will be risking 1% and I will be targeting pips. Okay, so for example, let's take an example right here. If I entered right here on the challenge account with an 8 pips stop loss and targeted the lows, I wouldn't have made 4%. I would have made 3.2% since this trade moved 32 pips. So in every 10 pips, I make 1%. This is my lot size going into the challenge account. I needed to get familiar with this uh, type of trading because in paper trading, I just put my risk amount, and when I put my risk amount, it immediately calculates its contract size and its lot size. But I need to be sharp on my challenge account. I need to be fast. That's why I fixed my lot size into 0.5% lot right now, which is around 0.8 to 1% risk. And when I become profitable later on, after 3 4 months, maybe I will have a higher lot size. Okay, so it depends on the account first, and then it depends on my psychology and risk management. Currently, I'm very I'm accepting that I don't know much about the uh, market. That's why I cannot risk more than 1% per trade, and I cannot risk more than 2% per week. So I can take 2 trades per week and I can have just 2% loss per week. So since I took 2 trades on this week, I did not have any trades, so I was up. Uh, I should have been up 3% on the account, but since I lost two trades in previous week, I am up now 1%. So what I noticed is that is I am if I am patient and if I am execute perfectly with my strategy, so if I uh, follow my rules perfectly, I can easily become profitable, and that's what I'm aiming for. So I will be waiting and waiting and waiting. So patience is key, and this is what I will be doing for the next week. Hopefully, in 3 weeks, I will finish my challenge account and become funded, and the next month, I will have my first payout. This is everything for today. If you see this video and think that's beneficial, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.